Okay, just wanted to document these two reported as 2009 um, headlight assemblies that I got for free. Amazingly, like this one is completely brand new. So the plastic's still on the lens. Nothing's been, adulterated in regards to the design. Now this one, um, luckily, luckily when I went to Lucky's, I figured, hey, I better check these out just to do a quick inspection and see before I return these. Because I was about to return these two. These are the Toyota OEM assemblies that I got that I was surprised were in the snow. And when the snow melted, I found them, one under the other car, and then one was actually under the car, but under the snow. So then I had to get the little clips from another vehicle that had the same headlights because I didn't see the clips there. Um, anyways, where was I? So with this one, this has been cut open. So I'm guessing and I don't have it removed right now because the HIDs are installed. There's I think a lock-in rotary cap that is used for the cover. And then here, I don't know what the deal is. My guess was that the ballast area here's, goes there. And that was cut out to fit the ballast, assuming the ballast was going to transfer over. And maybe he was going to, I forget exactly what he said. It seems like a couple scenarios. Maybe he was going to move the HID system over into this until he realized what was going on. And maybe, I thought it was a halogen conversion was his plans. So all at first at least, and then I ultimately went with just getting new HID assemblies, if I understand. So I figure worst case scenario, these lenses I could peel off and put on the Toyota, so I would have new lenses and all the plastics the same, nothing changed. This seems like a super simple plastic weld procedure, so that's no big deal. This, though, now I'm kind of looking at, so I wanted to really assess a little better side by side. That's going to be a little trickier without having to, cut open literally one of these assemblies. Now, there might be the other option where if I could find a damaged there's not any in the yard, so I'll have to look at the other yards. Maybe a front end collision headlight assembly, and I can just get this plastic part right there. I get that plastic part, that'd be a super simple drop in, plastic weld job. So that's like a piece of cake. So I don't know. I'm still hesitant to return these, but I'm more confident I can definitely return the one. This one though, I kind of like that plastic piece of cake. You get that from like old TVs. I'm guessing that's ABS. I'll put a short D on it and just do a quick test to get a rough idea. If I don't find a recycling, probably somewhere on there's a recycling logo to tell me what the plastic is, but I can do a little short E test and get a little rough estimate of what that material is. And, just plastic weld. I mean, I could probably type one silicone, scuff it up, that'd be even quicker. This one would definitely have to be plastic welded because I'd want to make sure, one, because of the heat, probably a little more over in this location, and two, just to make sure that's rock solid and sealed, even if, say, I did run silicone around like I was planning, because it looks like this lens was kind of attempted to be removed. So, where did I see that? Some of the clips looked, yeah, it was over on this side. Yeah, so it looked like, I don't know, I'm wondering if from grinding all, cutting that, I do see plastic on the inside, so that's not a good thing. There's some plastic through it. So it's kind of left with a similar situation with this one with the rocks. Having to take the lens off and clean real thoroughly on the inside, then reseal. I think that's going to be something we have to be doing with this one, so I'm probably still going to be putting one of these in the oven, whether it's to take that lens off and put onto here, which might be the easier solution. I got them half off, so I'll only be getting $15 back, but I'll be back there again, so $15 back in my pockets, 15 more I can spend on parts I need. That, I don't know. Well, we'll see. I got the time, maybe, if I can get the time. Might go that route too and just restore. So I don't know. Maybe I'll do a quick look around to see if there's any front end collision headlight assemblies where I might be able to walk out of the yard with it for free, or if they don't give it to me, they'll sure it'll only be a couple bucks. So, and then just, plastic welding's a piece of cake. That's no big deal. It just smells. So use ventilation when you do that. Wear proper PPE also if you don't have really good ventilation. But yeah, just to get that one for free, that's brand new. So that's wow, that's awesome. That's a great find. And just that lens alone, that's a great find also. But I don't know. I'm kind of like I don't know. I tend to like OEM or actual name brand parts because they are high quality. Um, Yeah, we'll see. Then I decided I kind of wussed out. I kept a clear aftermarket, kind of similar Taiwan passenger side headlight because I guess I'll swap it out so they both. Now I got crystal clear lenses. I'm not even polishing them. I'll save my polishing kit like originally I bought it for the truck, and yeah, I'll have a crystal clear lens in the front there, and then just maintain, the UV coating protectorant so that doesn't. Or at least in theory, doesn't fade and get more opaque and discolored over time. Okay, I think that's about it. I want to document. Oh, here's that jack. So I don't know what it was. It looks like the label is removed, but it seemed like a heavier duty material compared to all the other ones. There's a Honda one that's definitely labeled Honda. I didn't see labeled Toyota, but this was the heaviest duty one they had in there, and it had the little slit like for that style of unibody. 2 jack, and I don't have that Gen 2 Prius 2006 with a jack, so instead of having the racing jack in there, I'll get that one put in there. And I almost forgot what the price was again, but yeah, it's wacky. It's another one of those $6.66 buys, but man, you can't beat that pricing. That's hard to beat. Seen them on Facebook Marketplace, best price. I think it got down to, they mentioned $25, $30. And I figured I'd hold off because I remember there was something like $9 or less at the yards there. So looked a little more to see what I was looking into. What did I need to get? What looks close enough? And that looks close enough. And it might even be a little heavier duty too. So, okay, anyways, I think that's it. All right, bye for now. Be safe, stay out there until next time. Learn something new and save, save, save.